डेप्युटी कन्झर्वेटर ऑफ फॉरेस्ट हे 3-4 एजन्सीक आम्ही बरोवन दिला की ही पळय सिस्टमॅटीक झाडां पळय कापल्या आख्खे पणजेन हे 300 झाडां आनी हेजे फुडें उदकाच्या फुडें एक झाड कापला आनी थिंगा कॅनरा बँक पळय आहा न्ही तेजे समोर कापला हे 100 मिलियन 3 झाडां कापल्या आनी खात्रीत आहा रोप ना तोच कापपाचें काम चालू आहा सो वॉट एम सेइंग तुमी जर झाडां रोयना तुमकां कसलो हक आहा कापपाक झाडां नंबर 2 आमी मागला सेपरेट विचारला आमी तुमचे कडेन एक एक्सपर्ट ना झाड कापपाचो एक्सपर्ट ना तुमचे कडेन ट्री डॉक्टर ना तुमी झाडां कित्याक कापता कोण तुमकां सांगता झाडां कापूंक जाय म्हणून खंयचें झाड डेंजरस आहा म्हणून आतां हिंगा पळय एज पर NGT ऑर्डर 1 मिटर जागो जावंक मुडाच्या सायडीक 1 मिटर जागो 1 फूट पण ना ते झाडां ही झाडां चोक जावन मरता थिंगा पळय सगळीं झाडां पळय डांबोर घालून सगळे मुडांनी डांबोर घाला तुमकां जर मुडांक जर ब्रिदींग ना जाल्यार ते झाडां मरतलीं पडून आमचो रिक्वेस्ट आहा की झाडांच्या सायडीक पळय माती सो आमी बरोवन दिला आनी आमी आतां आयज ईमेल आयज सेंड दिस लेटर ईमेलीन धाडला आमी आतां हेजे फुडें फाल्यां हांव तें बरोवन सगळ्यांनी सिग्नेचर घेवन आतां आमी सिग्नेचर घेवपाक लागले सिग्नेचर दिवन तांकां दितले आमी फॉरेस्टाक CCP आनी कलेक्टराक आतां फॉरेस्टाक हांवें फोन मारलो फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट सांगता आमी माग करना झाडां कापूंक आतां आमी खबर येयला की डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान ऑर्डर पास केले म्हणून 172 trees marked in Benjin for trimming and cutting. तेंचे ट्रिमींग म्हणजे कितें झाड मारून काबार करपाचें एक हांगा दोन ना दुसरी अदर सिटीज दुसऱ्या सिटीन आसात पळय
170 for trimming or for cutting it is?
Trimming and cutting both. So we don't know whether they will trim all or they'll cut all. So they have marked it. They should first find out, get an expert, a doctor, somebody who has knowledge, experience, how to trim or how to save a tree. First attempt has to be how to save a tree. They directly come up. What is it? And when I asked the CCP workers, they go, "Bade kya khabar na? They go order diya. Person order diya. Mata nahi kapa man." So this is not proper, no? Get an expert person. Find out whether this tree is safe or not. Then you take it. Number 2, what we ask is, the residents of Panjim have not been consulted at all. Anybody is consulted here? None of the Panjim, we are all Panjim residents. And they do in the night. This is clandestine cutting of trees. So we are strongly protesting against this illegal cutting of trees. We have to not only protect trees, we have to plant more trees. You see the gap. These are all put by Portuguese government. 86 years old. It was in 1940. So imagine what is it is almost 90 years old trees. These actions are very heartless. They have no heart, no conscience, nothing. We had a survey down, thanks to RT Dance, we conducted a survey on this entire 18 Jim road and we have documented the trees. There are 62 trees on this road. The number of trees can be almost doubled because there are a lot of gaps where there are no trees, or trees are fallen, or trees are cut. We have to grow fresh trees. So that is our request. Now we will wait for some time for the government to. We have demanded a freeze on cutting and trimming of trees. Complete freeze unless there is a danger for life or property. And that danger has to be decided not by the butchers, by the experts in the field of trees.
This should be done within 1 meter. 1 meter mountains.
All trees. The reason why trees are falling and people are dying is because there is no. They have violated the NGT order. Chief Secretary has given a circular to all the departments to maintain 1 meter. Nobody is maintaining. So when you do this, you choke and you kill a tree. Now this tree was the healthiest tree. What is the problem? I don't know. It was a flying plant because every tree goes for sunlight, for photosynthesis. It's a natural thing. Every tree doesn't mean it's going to fall. A standing tree can also fall. So that much of common sense they don't have. Because we know that they don't have any experts, tree experts. They should train their people and deploy people who are passionate about trees, not butchers. We don't want roadside laborers go and cut the trees. We want people who will apply their mind, understand what is the value of trees. They don't understand value. This is not only providing oxygen and shade, it cools down the city. Things cool down the city. Besides, Panjim is having the highest air pollution. PM 2.5 is the highest compared to any other part of Goa. So please do the purification of the air pollution. So considering all this, we have to plant more trees for the same existing trees first. Now I request Professor Madan.
So who had given the permission? CCP? It is the CCP who had given the permission to cut the trees.
CCP has been cutting the trees. But what we have learned is that Deputy Collector issued orders. We are not sure. We are trying to find out.
So who have, you don't know?
I asked the Forest Department. They have not given permission.
So who cut the trees?
See what is happening now. Somebody, hotel or somebody will contact the fire brigade or collector. And overnight they cut. Yeah, because they cut in the night. One of the RTA I had put in collector's office. They said one foreigner applied for a tree cutting. How can foreigner be allowed to cut a tree? Tell me. The foreigner, somebody holding Portuguese passport is complaining trees should be cut on this road. And the collector saying, I did not know it was foreigner. Then it is a job to find out.
So Mike.
आयज आमी पणजेचे सिटिजन्स हांगा एक जाल्या हे जे ट्री कटींग चालू आसा पणजेन सद्या ट्री कटींग चालू आसा पणजे द ब्युटी ऑफ पणजी इज बिकॉज ऑफ हर ट्रीज द ट्री कवर विच इज देर इन पेंजीम दॅट इज द ब्युटी ऑफ पेंजीम द नॅचरल ब्युटी ऑफ पेंजीम आनी इतली गरमी आशिल्ली मे म्हयन्यान आनी आतां झाडां कापपाचे स्प्री चालू आसा सगळे कडेन झाडां कापता ह्या रस्त्याचेर 4-5 झाडां कापल्या आनी आमी अशें म्हणना की वेन इट इज नेसेसरी थंय एक झाड आशिल्लें फार्मासी कॉलेजी फाटल्यान तें अशें जाल्लें आनी ते दॅट वूड हॅव कॉज डेंजर टू द लायफ दॅट ट्री वॉज कट विच इज ओके बट द ट्रीज वीच आर नॉट ऑब्स्ट्रक्टींग एनी ट्रॅफिक वीच आर नॉट कॉजिंग एनी थ्रेट टू एनी लायफ एंड वेटिंग बाबान सांगला त्या प्रमाणे थ्रेट टू लायफ हू वील इट हॅज टू बी डिसायडेड प्रॉपरली So everywhere the trees are being cut and the beauty of Panjim is being destroyed. I appeal to the mayor, please look into this matter that who is cutting this tree. We don't know whether it is CCP, whether it is Forest Department or the locals are asking for cutting of tree, Deputy Collector, who is cutting the tree. Everywhere we find the trees are being chopped mercilessly. And the beauty of Panjim, which is our city, we have grown up here, we have lived in this city all our life and it is being destroyed. It pains us to see the destruction of our natural environmental heritage. Everywhere the trees are being cut. On this road also there was a tree cut next opposite the Gujarat Lodge. Now this tree is cut. So everywhere you find the tree. कला कलमीकडे एक झाड मारला. सगळी जी झाडां आसा पणजेची ब्युटी ही झाडां पणजेक आमच्या ब्युटी दितात ती झाडां मारून उडयता. The beautiful canopy that you see in Kampal, no other city perhaps in the world has such beautiful canopies. You know, the flowers drop and the road also looks beautiful because of the trees. And that Kampal Avenue looks beautiful because of the trees. But mercilessly the trees are being cut. I appeal to the concerned authorities, to the Forest Department, to the mayor, and we are appealing to the corporators. Please see that this tree cutting is stopped. Because the beauty of Panjim will be totally destroyed. I think in another 5 years there will be no trees left in Panjim. So we as citizens of Panjim are appealing that this merciless tree cutting has to be stopped immediately.
Yeah, come in the front, come in the front.
प्रॉपर फॉर ट्री आणि मी जेव्हा Sunday हांगा सर्वे केली तेन्ना we found more than 40 copperpot trees here. So these are the avenue trees with these beautiful yellow flowers. So ताजे अशें yellow carpet form जाता. It gives lot of shade. These are canopy trees like rain trees. They give lot of shade, trees, and lot of cooling effect. As we know now, in the midst of climate change, we are suffering because of something called as heat island. So to combat that heat island, this is the most effective way to have trees around. And it is the most, nature gives them all these services free of cost. Like you don't have to invest anything. We just have to take care of these trees. As sir mentioned that there is no 1 meter distance gap for the root system to develop, for them to take nutrients from the soil. You require to have a proper root system. You have to give them proper mud around. So if you go on concretizing it like this, it will directly hamper the tree's life and it will fall one by the other. Also, when the tree is becoming dangerous, we have to bring in the experts who are known as tree doctors, who can know the lifestyle of how the tree is doing, what is the disease if it is there, and you can rectify it. I believe from 5 years ago the tree outside Gujarat laws had fallen down, but because of the Evertinos initiative and everything, it was revived and now the tree is doing very well. So there are examples of trees reviving, even they are dying or even they have a disease. It can be solved. So we just need that more awareness among the authorities to look at our green cover. And also one more thing about 18 June road is that if this road, interestingly, doesn't come under smart city project. So this road compared to other city roads, there is no tree plantation happen on this road. So if you look around, there are new trees planted on the either side, like SB road has, MG road has. But 18 June road, there are no new trees planted. So why there are no trees planted or whatever are they are being chopped down? So what is this? We don't understand this logic. If a common man wants to cut down a tree, they are told to plant 2 more new trees. But when authorities cut down, nobody is asking them why they are not planting new trees. So we are asking as a citizens of Panjim city, what actions are you taking to make the city clean and clean? Everybody is telling, all the government is telling us to make cities green and clean. But in reality, it is not the case. Anita, you want to add?
Yeah, I'm a resident of Athlete. I've grown up here. These are trees. I'm Dr. Louis Dias. I'm a heritage enthusiast and a lover of city, our home city. We have grown up here. These trees are like our army, these are our friends. We have walked along these trees. We have seen them grow. They have given us shade. They have given us shelter. They have cleaned the air for us. And we feel really treated when we wake up one morning and we find this suddenly gone. And then when we ask questions, no, everyone says, no, it was not me. Everyone passes the buck and says somebody else asked for it. This is not fair. This is not the way we want our city to be run. We want some accountability and we want, as they were saying, there should be tree surgeons giving a proper report why a tree is deemed to be cut, and there should be prior notice that if we assign, if at all they are doing that. They cannot just number the trees and say this tree is slated for chopping without taking us into consideration. We should be taken into consideration, and citizens should be involved in the uptake of, in the care of upkeep of the city. This is not happening, and this is it hurts us very much, and we are worried that more trees will go, and we cannot allow this to happen. Really, we cannot allow this. This has to stop. Thank you very much.
Anybody who walks in Panjim in this last summer knows the value of a tree, because the heat has been so terrible in this last summer, and we all know that the heat is growing everywhere in the world. And you come under a tree and the weather changes. You're suddenly in a very pleasant spot. Our problem, I think, is that our ministers, our governments now, the members of our government have now become used to traveling in air conditioning, so they don't know the value of a tree. They don't appreciate the value of the tree. For them, as long as they are air conditioning, all the trees can go. That's the tragedy. So we need to have, literally I feel, we need to have people in power who will not have air conditioning, so that actually experience how the environment is changing and what the meaning, what the value, what the invaluable value of a tree is.
Anybody want to talk? Say a few words.
And this we can talk about now.
Huh?
Yeah.
that the government is not planning to demolish the Gupta house for a new construction. So what will happen to these trees around? There is a huge people tree behind this temple. So what will happen to those trees? So these questions we are asking as citizens.
Even those trees they will cut.
Yeah, it looks like.
like
There's a huge people tree behind. This is a heritage species and cypress trees play a very important role in the ecosystem.
See, all over the world, they incorporate trees. See, when you are having a new development, not like Kapachakati na, they got to take the tree as part of the environment and build around it. It's possible to do.
Very true. And in fact,
As an architect, you know.
no, in Tanjung we have such trees which are monuments in themselves, like the Sandinets, the banyan at Sandinets near the fire brigade, that deserves its own garden. It's such a beautiful tree. It's such a monumental tree. But it's just being hemmed in by granite, by buildings down the road. Like at any moment it can fall. It's struggling to survive in all the granite that is all around it. We should be not celebrating such trees. We could be our environmental heritage city. But instead they're destroying it.
एकदम कोपरे पे you find
What we are saying is, they are not against development, but development has to be around the tree, not by cutting the trees. Nowhere in the world you do this development where you cut the trees. So you can design a building around the tree. What is the problem? Get designers who have common sense. It's not a great thing. Yeah.
मी एक डिमांड केला की हेजे सायडीक थोडे स्पेस आसची म्हणून जे मेळपा खातीर जेन्ना स्मार्ट सिटीन जेन्ना काम केलें पळय तेन्ना सगळे कडेन ही अशीच आसा सो तुमी कितें इनिशिएटीव
Because आम्ही एकदा बरोवन दिला. I given in writing to CCP.
Smart city.
Yeah. That you have to give the decision. That's the NGT, not my decision. It is an NGT order to all the state governments in India, not only Goa, that they have to leave 1 meter radius around the trees. See, Miramar they have done. They put a metal circle. You see Miramar? They put a
स्मार्ट
metal
सिटी स्मार्ट सिटीचें काम जालें न्हू पण अजून कशी जावं म्हणटा आतां कितें इनिशिएटीव तुमी घेतला की ते परत
आम्ही आता बरोवन दिला त्यांना and we are going to request again because finally I think we are supposed to knock the doors of the court all the time because you are knocking the doors of the court, we don't get justice. So now I've written to them that if they don't stop, they don't put a freeze against trimming and cutting, then we will immediately initiate legal action.
केन्ना बरोवन दिलें
I got it. I
तें
said
म्हणून हांव स्मार्ट सिटीचें केन्ना काम आशिल्लें पळय तेन्ना तुमी कित्याक घेवना
आम्ही दिला त्यांना हांवें दिला
स्मार्ट सिटीचें काम
Yeah. I given, it was almost 7 years back. आता नाही 7 वर्ष झाली अजून काय रिप्लाय ना. I have also written to the principal chief conservator of forest who is responsible to ensure that the tree can breathe properly. 1 meter diameter space has to be kept without concrete, without tar, without tiles.
सांगलें तरी तेंच्यानी तशेंच केलें
Because they are not bothered. Now Chief Secretary has passed that order. IGP has told the Chief Secretary to implement that order. So what the Chief Secretary does, he just issues circular. Only circular, no action, no implementation. What is the use of the circular? None of the government agencies, the PWD is not following the law. The forest department not following the law. The municipalities, the panchayats, nobody is following the law.
We had moved the court in the case of Santines. Santines, Kaventi, myself, we had moved the court, but then they said that we had moved the court in the case of Santines banyan tree, and the court gave an instruction henceforth they will not cut the tree. But the tree cutting has increased.
See in Nove, in the case of Nove highway, 4 से माइल झाड़ा कापों के केला. Then people have to go again to the High Court to ensure that the trees are safe. Okay, if there's a dangerous tree, come hold them to this tree. 3 meters to the 3 meters. So again branches will come. See near S Bank, they have kept, they cut 3 meters and the tree has come again. This is a death sentence for a tree. This is not going to come up. And when you cover the tree, when you're cutting branches, you have to cover the tree branch so that water doesn't percolate on the root.
Trees at the end of the path, they are
ही झाडां आतां व्हडली वयर
Sit down, get it. Already marked for cutting. You can see the number. It's a very old tree. Number 68.
आवडीन हे आतां झाडां कट केले ते रातचे कट केले काय
घराचे त्याला सकाळचा 5 लाख होतात होय राज्य प्रक्रिया करणं लोक एको चालवा so because if you are doing legally then why not doing in the daytime
हांवें तें तुमी सजेशन दिलां ट्री डॉक्टर तुमी म्हणटाले पळय एजन्सी कितें आहा तें सजेशन दिलां
होय बरें
हें
दिलां.
करपाक
बरें दिलां.
ना तितून सजेशन आहा काय म्हणटा
होय,
कोण कोण हें आहा
होय आमी हांवें RTI घाला CCP 500 वर्सांनी आमी जाता हांव तुमचो एक्सपर्ट कोण आहा झाडांचो एक्सपर्ट तुमच्या CCP कोण आहा जो डिसायड करता की झाड कापूंक जाय म्हणून काय झाड सामकें कापपाचें काय क्लीन करपाचें कोण एक्सपर्ट आहा कोणूच ना दे डोंट हॅव ए एक्सपर्ट सो दीज आर butchers are deployed to cut the trees. You got it, no? So there are no experts. So there is no application of mind. Common sense. This is a healthy tree. But he's not a boy. Did we go there? Huh? Did we go there?
पहिले ग्रुप टीचर घ्या.
Huh?
पहिले ग्रुप. एक ग्रुप.
Please, friendly,
कांपाल मार्क केलं हमारे कांपाल रोड मार्क केलं हूँ
170 trees marked here.
मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल एवेन्यू इज
170 trees are marked. That is the biggest destruction of trees in Panjim, history of Panjim. So it is high time the government stops this cutting, puts the trees and cutting and trimming. That's our request. In 7 days they don't do, then we have to initial action. We will wait for 7 days and we will see the response of the government. Otherwise, because this is a very serious matter. Because if you don't go to court, then they will go ahead and they'll cut everything.
डेप्युटी
And once you
कलेक्टर
cut it, you can't get back to life.
डेप्युटी कलेक्टर तुम्ही मेळटले वचून
होय, हांवें
डेप्युटी
already
कलेक्टर
एक कॉपी कलेक्टर दिल्या
पर्सनल वचून तुम्ही
ऑलरेडी झालं
भेटले.
ऑलरेडी ईमेल कलेक्टर ईमेल केला आम्ही
मेल केलं.
आणि कोर्ट ऑर्डर आहा ते बरोबर कापची नाही म्हणून ऑर्डर आहा
18
कोर्टाची
जून रस्त्यार कितले झाडां माग केले म्हटलं 18 जून रस्त्यार कितले झाडां माग केले टोटल
एवढी उडयतले
आम्ही तर आम्ही तिचा मार्क
ऑन 18 जून रोड
No, we don't know how many are marked. 62 are there.
टोटल we have done a survey total trees so we want to do the similar exercise on the other roads also
कांपाल रोड वी आर गोइंग टू कट इट
so we will go there we will go there so we have to act fast before the
थँक्यू
Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.